What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are here to stay for this full thing. So if you guys clicked on this video, then you already know what it's going to be about. It's going to be about the stock market and how you can make your first dollar in the stock market and how you can make your first million in the stock market. So when I first started to even think about the stock market, I thought, oh, it's so complex. I have to be so smart. I have to hire someone to manage my money and I'm going to lose all my money in the stock market. It's so scary. What do all these numbers do? Why are they red? Why are they green? Why does the price go up and down? And there's so many things to look at. It's too hard for me to even think about trying to investing. I'm here to tell you that all of that is completely wrong. You are more than capable of making millions and millions of dollars, and let me tell you how, so let's get into it. But this is for more of a complex person who wants to get more involved in the stock market, who's willing to put in the research and the time to put money into. If you want to buy individual companies like Facebook or Google or Adobe or Walmart, companies like that, this is the video for you, and I'm going to tell you how it's very easy to do that. But if you want to watch a video that's more easier and less complex and you just have to buy one thing and that's all, then that's not the video for you. If you guys want to see that video, I will be more than happy to do that video next video. Just let me know in the comments and I will make that happen. Don't forget to leave a like on this video for the algorithm. If it gives you any sort of information, please leave a like. It goes a long way. So the first thing that I want to talk about in this video is realizing you already have a foot in the door. We use companies every single day, such as Adobe products, such as YouTube, what you're watching me on right now, such as Facebook and Instagram, Walmart, anything like that that you use every single day. Indigo, where I bought this book, Amazon, where you can buy more books. Companies like that you already buy from. You already have a foot in the door because you already somewhat understand that company. Me, with Walmart, I understand how Walmart makes their business. I go in Walmart, I buy my groceries, I buy clothes. That's how they make their money. I already understand their business. It's a retail business. Those things I can determine if I see this company being here in 5-10 years. I could see this company growing in the next 5-10 years. You don't have to be a genius to invest in the stock market. You already understand some companies, and those companies you can invest in if they're publicly traded. Walmart can actually give me a return on my investment and make me rich than going to Walmart and just giving them my money. I can invest into Walmart and I can make money off of Walmart. It's very, very easy. You already have a foot in the door. You understand more than you know. So the second thing that I want to talk about is understanding how the stock market actually works. If you invest in the stock market, it's more volatile because I can have all the stocks that I own on my phone. I can look every single day on what Apple is trading for, what Walmart is trading for, what Facebook is trading for. I could see what those companies are trading at every single day, and it can go up and down. So it's more volatile other than a house where you buy a house and you don't see the actual value on a TV screen or in your house, right? So it's more volatile in that sense because you see what people are buying Walmart or selling Walmart for every single day. Before you invest in the stock market, you have to understand stocks go up and down, but it doesn't mean that Walmart is actually worth $50 if it's trading for $50 today. It doesn't actually mean that it's worth $50. It's just for what it's trading at today's price. If you have 1 million people in the world, not everyone is going to value a company at the exact same price. So you knowing that stocks can go up and down, you have to take advantage of those opportunities. I talked about a little bit of fear and how you can take advantage in my last video. I'll put it up here if you guys want to watch it. It's a pretty good video, especially when things are very fearful in the market and things aren't looking good in the economy. You want to throw your money in the stock market. I understand it could be a black hole and you're too scared to invest your money because you don't want to lose your money in the stock market, but the more you understand, the less you fear. So it's just not a black hole what people think it is. But we have to understand if a company is having a bad year, that's the time that you want to invest. You don't want to invest your money in Walmart when it's having a fantastic year, right? Because everyone is not going to be fearful of Walmart. Everyone wants a piece of Walmart. But when Walmart is having a bad year, no one's going to want to have a piece of Walmart. So that's when you have a strong stomach, and knowing that people are fearful of Walmart, you buy that stock and wait for the 5-10 years because you understand the business and you think that this business is going to grow and still be here in the next 10 years. So you have to stomach the volatility in the stock market and you have to buy that stock. Okay, number 3 is, this is the most important part of this video. Investing in the stock market is not a casino. If I buy Walmart one day, it's not a casino ticket. It's not a horse race ticket. You are buying a real life business. Walmart right now is making sales. Someone is in Walmart right now buying products at Walmart. You're buying a real life business. You have to understand this. You're not buying a price that goes up and down and just praying to God that it goes up. You're not doing that. That's gambling. You have to realize you're buying a real life company. If I have a home and there's two people about to buy my house, one person is going to value my house at $200,000. The other person is going to value my house at $400,000. It's up to you what your house is worth. This person thinks it's $200,000. The other person thinks it's $400,000. Does that mean your house is worth $300,000? No, that's not the case. Every single person is going to have a different value on a company or a house. It's up to you to determine how much Walmart is worth. It's up to you to determine how much your house is worth. So how you determine that is, let me use your house for example again. When you buy a house, you look at the fundamentals of the house. You look at how many rooms this house has. What location is the house located at? How many parking spots does the house have? Is the house detached or not? So there's fundamentals of buying a house that you have to understand before buying a house. A detached house is always going to be more expensive than a single home, right? You knowing that, you're going to value a detached home for much more than a single home. It's the same thing with stock market and companies, right? If a company makes no money and a company is very profitable like Walmart, you're going to value those two companies very differently. Because if a company has a lot of debt, you don't want that company. If a company has not much debt, you want that company, so you'll value that company more. So you have to understand these two homes, and you have to value the house on what you think it's worth. The same thing with stocks. Target and Walmart, they're two completely different businesses, but that's when you have to understand the business and you realize what each company is worth on how much money they make, how much money they lose, how much debt they have, who manages the company, etc., etc., etc. If you do all of that in the stock market, you will do extremely well. You have to have a tough stomach. If your stock is down 30-40%, you have to understand the fundamentals of your business and understand what it's actually worth. So it's not as complex. I hope I didn't make it too complex for you to understand. If you're confused, if you understand, if you think I did well in this video, please let me know in the comments. It goes a long way for the algorithm. Please leave a like if you enjoy the content like this. Please let me know on what videos you would like to see in the future, and I will be happy to make those. I hope you enjoyed the video. Deuces.